This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and for this video we're assembling the Venus flytrap box card. So I have my pieces laid out here, and the first thing you're going to notice in the file is that it looks like this piece is backwards from the inserts, and that's because this piece hooks on and then folds, so it reverses, okay? So there's not a problem with the file. That's the way it needed to be made to make it work correctly, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these two pieces together. Okay. And now this is the back and this is the front. So on the back, we can go ahead, I've already glued these together, and we can put our piece for our sentiment. Okay, and then we can take a look at the front. So the front, we have this piece here, which rounds off the edges for us. And I am going to go ahead and put this on now, but you do need to be mindful not to get glue on your sides. So I'm just going to glue this just like so, okay? And then you're just gonna line that up there. So just be careful not to glue these two sides here. They've got about a 1/4 inch that hangs over, okay? And that's to round that up. And then we can put our ooze on. And then each piece of the monster just layers one on top of the other. Whatever light color you choose to be the underside of the arms is also going to be the color of the teeth, okay? So keep that in mind when you're picking your colors, because I didn't want to have too many layers. And see, it just layers like this. You have the underside, you have your dots, and then we're just gonna put this in here. But I'm gonna wait to add this until I have the layers inside so I can see where I want this to be, okay? So now we're gonna repeat the process here. And if you just put the glue on the back of each of the top piece of each layer, then you won't have to worry about getting glue where it shouldn't be. It's like I wouldn't put the glue on this light green because part of it shows, and then you'll have glue where you don't need it. Okay, and then the same for the top layer. Okay. And then we can just glue this right into place. Okay, so now that is done. And now let's pull in this layer. Now some of these holes are tiny and I thought about taking them out, but they do add some texture to the face. So I'm just going to leave them. And really some of these circles turned out being so small that they really are just for the texture. But now this pen is making those smaller ones better. So and it's just the smallest of the holes that but I like it. I like it almost makes them look like tiny freckles, but that's just me. So you can see on this one how, yes, the teeth are whatever color, whatever light color you decide to do your little monster. Okay. Now, it's going to be easier to put glue on this piece if you have a fine tip glue bottle so that you can get up around the little circles. So with this piece, you do have like the lips. It makes the lips too. And the circle cutouts. Okay. And then we want to add on the ooze. And then just glue this into place. There we go. So there's nothing super complicated about this card. It's pretty straightforward. I tried to keep it easy. Now this is the insert, so you're going to pull your card in. It's a little bit heavy on the back side. And put glue on this tab. Whoops. Leave your tabs out flat and lay that down in there. Just catch that. And then you're going to put glue on this layer, on this tab. Bring this over, and we're gluing it to this. Fold it back and forth. And now we're going to put glue on our tab here and close it up. Then we're going to glue our piece here on the front. There we go. Hold it both ways. Okay, and now looking at our little guy, I think I'm going to pop this with a piece of foam tape. And there he is. There is our monster coming out of our bubbly cauldron. I called it the Venus flytrap, but now it doesn't really look like one. It looks more like a monster. Thank you for joining me.